Good morning guys, and now I'm gonna have breakfast as every morning. So I'm gonna have this argetta paste, chicken paste, you see, chicken paste, argetta, and I'm gonna spread it. So here goes our chicken paste, so like that way. Sorry about my finger, that's because of smoking. It's not good, I have to throw it away. So now I'm gonna spread it, And then so when you spread it, grab some garlic aioli and then just put on top like that. That's the way. It's kitchen. Breakfast every morning. And to have breakfast. And that's it. And then just close them, nice and easy like that. You can put some cheese if you want, Cheese is good too, but I have only 3 torches left, which I'm gonna use for something else. So that is it. Amke's breakfast time. See you later, guys. Amke's kitchen.